we might have something. Tomorrow circumstances changes something and we don't have those things to give her. That time she will feel bad that we don't give her anything. She's so connected to you all, like anything happens, I say, okay, I'll tell your YouTube family. And she will like, no, my YouTube family shouldn't know that.
Yeah. Hello friends and welcome back again to K2N family. I hope all you doing well. Today it's a beautiful day and today's vlog is very nice. Today is a task that we have a lot to do because we're going to teach Angel same thing what our parents taught us. So Angel is now 7. It's a time for her to learn things. When we were kids, we learned way early. So there's a cleaning task. As you all know that Nadia is very much into cleaning. She likes cleaning. By the way, this is bird food. Always keep some of the birds, they come over here. As I say, Nadia is very much into cleaning and she makes sure that cleaning is done very well. And that's what we are trying to teach Angel also now, to help in the house, to clean, how to keep clean. So at least when she grows up, it's good for her only. Nadia cleaning rope Nadia doesn't allow those kind of things, but still sweeping of the house and all now, how to sweep. She doesn't know how to sweep, but I'm trying to teach her. Let's see how this task goes of cleaning. And yeah, we bought some books for her, and those books are very nice. I'm going to show you guys these books. Very good learning practice for kids. And now the summer holidays are also going to start, so there won't be any homework. That is a nice practice. I'm going to show you all that as well. So let's begin this. We are cleaning the house over here. Angel is going to help us cleaning the house. It's all messy over here. See over Angel's toys and everything. But Angel is going to help us doing this, because it's not easy to do with 2 kids in the house, and especially with this naughty girl Kisha getting things everywhere around. Yeah, boy, watch this, sir. What are you doing? What are you doing? You like? Put. Nice?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yay!
I'll show you. You have to spray first. First you spray like that. Then you clean like that. See, even the corners. Everything, all the dust will go. Okay?
Okay, Dada.
All dusty things remove. See all your toys, you got to keep them clean.
But I thought you also helped.
Yeah, I'm helping you. I'm cleaning other things.
Kisha, you help. Help Angel.
See, Angel will clean and Kisha, she wants to spoil. She wants to keep all things. Be all a doll. Kisha, you come here. Kisha, you come here. Angel, you keep.
Remove the shoes, baby.
Hey, Kisha, what are you doing? Kid kotte?
I got it.
See her? How naughty she is.
Very naughty.
You're not a saint, huh? Yo. Kisha, keep. Endo. Door, Baba. Shoes door.
Remove shoes.
Shoes door, Baba. Shoes door.
Kisha, remove shoes.
Door, shoes door. Door.
Kisha, remove. Akif.
Kide?
He's gonna sit on the chair for him.
Do it.
Yes.
Dudu pipa to. Dudu pipa chair bosla. Eh? Very smarty.
But okay,
What is it? Okay, Angel has breaking news now. What is the breaking news?
there were 5 spiders in our house, yes?
Okay.
One of them was in the ball. It was died, okay?
Okay.
And they have 4. One in the corner. One was in that toy in the corner. One was over there.
Yeah.
One is somewhere else. It's over there, but I think it's dead now. Now
Okay.
there's 3 spiders
So why those spiders have come in the house?
because we didn't. And
No, not we. You did not clean. Your toys are messed up everywhere.
But now I am not eating these spiders. Even
Huh?
if there's something my favorite there and there's a spider next to it, no,
Yeah.
I'm not gonna take.
So try to move the sofa on this way. Yeah?
Yeah, we do that. I don't know.
Yeah, try to we keep the sofa this way. That sofa will come on the other side, no? So easy, like okay, there will be a bypass to walk anyways over here.
But then there won't be a long space to go.
But anyway, you're going in the outdoor, if you're going, it's easy, no? You don't need to. You're not taking any big stuff outside. You just to walk out.
Let's see.
Yeah, just let's try, see what it looks like. So yeah, we're trying to move the sofa there straight, like it's getting difficult to open the door. So probably might just keep the sofa horizontal over here and see how it looks. Maybe. Yeah, so this looks nice, baby. See, the sofa this side also. And the walking space also is good. And there, you see, it's enough of space to go out.
Yeah, that's good.
So, Asia, come on. Let's clean now. If you do that, it's such a help for Mama. You're going to help Mama every weekend now, okay? See, here also there is. Hey, Kisha, you
Mama,
The gate is open. She looks for the opportunity to go out.
Mama,
Baba.
Mama.
Dur देखा, dur, 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 dur देखा, 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 dur देखा. Wow, good dog, eh? You kept the gate open, no? She was running out. So show me this. What have you done?
So it says 15 over here.
Okay, so right. Okay, let me check. Let me see if it's correct to you. Okay. Correct. Right. And
Correct.
Yeah, that's good. And so friends, you know what? I bought these books for Angel because now holidays are also going to start. And these books are really like every day I tell her, they don't give a lot of homework for her. But this book, I usually bought them from Lidl, what I bought. I found them over there. Usually probably might be getting online and all. Very good books. They've got English and maths learning on this. And this is from age 6 to 7 and going 7 to 8. Angel, pretty much she is very happy in doing it. Keeps her busy in the activities, just like activity games, kind of a thing to do. She asks me, I can help her as much as I can because here the maths is different to what we studied. So very good books if you all want to get for your kids, anyone in the UK. So basically you go a little, there are these books that have been sold. But otherwise, anyway, other part of the world, if people are watching this, you probably might get it on Amazon. And this is one nice maths book that I got for Angel before Nadia had bought. Same again, she had got it, I guess, from TK Maxx probably. She bought it. Very nice. So what is the maths over here, the tables? You just pull it down, you learn, and then you just cover it, and then you say it without looking. So it's very good. Angel is practicing tables. Angel is you're learning, tables, right?
I know.
We try to make her sure, like, okay, after school she comes at least for half an hour. She does something of those curriculums of hers. Yeah, Polly Sabata, she's also trying to study with Angel. Angel, you see how nice? Yeah? She's trying to study with you because you're studying, she's also studying. Study, girl? Huh? Study, girl?
I'm going to make a hot chocolate for you. You want a hot chocolate or tea? Chocolate? Hot chocolate? Hot chocolate you want? Yeah. Okay. Tea or hot chocolate? Hot chocolate? Okay. Let me make the hot chocolate. So Kisha, this is your chocolate. But make sure you don't eat it. I'm going upstairs and I'm going to get something. Okay? Okay. Let me go. Okay, here am I. Where are the chocolates? Did you eat them? Did you eat them? She ate her chocolates! Kisha, so all of our YouTube family loves us. And they write all comments about us. And it's all about me and you. So let's hear, we all love you all. We love you, our YouTube family. Isha, say we love you, our YouTube family. Say I love you. Give flying kiss. No, flying kiss. Flying kiss. That's what I did when I was very small with my dad, and now she's doing it to me. No flying kiss. No flying kiss.
So friends, here we are at the end of the session of this vlog. Well, it was very nice of doing this vlog. We were very excited. It's not a vlog in the sense we learned a lot for ourselves also. Because as I told you all before in this beginning, that this vlog will be about we're trying to teach Angel how to clean the house, what she has to help us with. So weekend is a task.
Small things where the kids have to know, it is a little help, but yeah, it's good for them in their future.
Yeah, that is good. And one thing, what Angel is saying? Angel is saying, that I have to do every weekend, I have to do every Saturday because YouTube family they will know. If I don't know, they will ask me okay, am I not doing it? So
She's so connected to you all, anything happens, I say, okay, I'll tell your YouTube family. She will no, my YouTube family shouldn't know that.
Yes. So Angel's naughtiness is there, but there is that feel about her, ते म्हणटाय ना भितरले की म्हाका लॉ दिसता म्हाका लॉ जातली सो that she has that thing within her okay Tata don't okay I make a scale I'll make a video on you and I'm going to put on YouTube let our YouTube family know and she Tata don't do that okay I'm not going to do it so she is very much connected and she has that I like that thing about her but now that okay when we were kids, what my mama taught, as I said, remember, mama, she taught me even to stain rice. Mm-hmm. Not only my sisters, they were younger to me. Mama used to make them clean. Dara sanekla sarmar baji. Even they had to wipe the floor also. Yeah. We had to do that. Probably even you say also so many times.
Yeah, even my dad, my mom, they, my dad used to like cleaning, he used to say, okay, it's also clean kurpa lagya sogle, and then especially fans, the dust on the fan, and because I had that dust allergy, so was very particular in cleaning the fans. So he used to stand up, and I was the assistant giving him cloth or something like that. And apart from that, like cleaning the floor, everything. So yeah, basically when I used to go to Natasha's house, my cousin's place in Fatoda, so holiday times we used to go there, and Titin used to say whenever we used to have soup, anything on the table, yeah, one person has to clean the table, one person has to wash the vessels, and it was so helpful for me that I learned a lot of things how to clean the table. Even I tell Angel many a times that, Angel, you sit there, anything falls, clean the table, because it's good to keep the table clean, because we have our food there end of the day. So yes, because after that she does her study, so the table should be clean.
Yeah, that's true. Best thing about us when we were having food, I think a lot of you, if they have siblings or anything, they will be having this story. We should have food. And those days, like Sunday was a special day, having chicken or something. Weekday was like normal fish or anything, like prawns. My favorite were prawns, like Mama used to fry prawns or anything. Nice, good thing. Cherisa hai, and then it's like lot. You will give like limited, like three sausages, or maybe two prawns and all. So what we used to do, I'd buy prawns.
I know, he does the same thing. One day I just put him some prawns, like fried prawns. And when I came, the prawns were not there. So I thought like he ate, and then I felt bad. So I said I gave my share to him. And then he was like, no, it's okay, I don't want it. I said, no, have it. Like, you had it first only, so you just take two of mine, like, Suddenly, when I just saw him removing the prawns which are hidden in his place, I was like, give my prawns.
Yeah, sister, Baba, tu ye haile? Tu kastana apna kya haile? Like, yeah, that is like siblings, they always have it. Yeah, but the thing is, with Angel, as I'm saying, I think so. This is very important between families to teach your kids or bring that kind of activities in the house. From before, Nadia used to make a trend like to keep her toys and all tidy. So
same with Kisha now. I tell Kisha to help Angel, because Kisha makes a mess and Angel has to clean it. But Angel doesn't make a fuss in cleaning it because she knows she's small, but sometimes she does tantrums like she's making it dirty and I should clean it. But then eventually she cleans it.
And that is one thing, very good thing. And Angel loves now. She's happy because she said, Dad, I did it correct. Did I do it very right? Okay, is this how she say? That is an encouragement. Like, try to encourage her, give her some goodies after she's done.
We don't even encourage her much with buying toys and all, because anytime she does something good, yes, she gets it. But when we go shopping, we don't say, okay, we have to give her. Like sometimes she says, Mama, my friend, she has this, she has that. I tell her, like, see, if your friend has it, doesn't mean you need to have it. Yeah, when it's time for you to have it, you will have it. But it's not like, okay, now she has it, I'll also give my child. No, it's not like that. It doesn't work like that, because today we might have something, tomorrow circumstances changes something, and we don't have those things to give her. That time she will feel bad that we don't give her anything.
Yeah, it is very much that. I try to show her on YouTube for kids who don't have things, who are like who live under poverty. At least, probably I don't have everything, but I'm very much having everything also in my life, because what I have, there are so many people who don't have in their life. They're expecting, it's like a cycle, they say, you go from down, the person who's below, he always think, okay, I should have a life like him. The person below him will think, okay, I should have a life of some other person. So everyone, we also think, I also want to be the richest person. Yeah, I want to have so much of money. The happiness is health. The health is very important. What is meant, what is God has written, that will come only. See, we can teach our kids what to do and how to do, and they will be what they have to. We cannot change the destiny. So as a parents, what we can do, we'll do that only always. And same, like as I said, we can't bring those days same as what we have spent it in our life as childhood. Definitely not, because if I had that opportunity that I could give Angel like that kind of a life to understand and make her feel, I'll definitely be so happy to do. But today's world has gone so further,
Yeah,
so
life
far.
over here is very different. We cannot, shout on our kids the way our parents used to shout and
No.
do things with us. But yeah, I do it with Angel. I sometimes shout on her because she should know that, that she's doing something wrong. At least she should know that.
That
she's
is,
doing
and that she
something
knows.
wrong.
Angel,
Yeah.
she knows very well. Like if she has done something, she knows. That is very important that she understands that she has done something wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is the good thing about Angel is like she understands. If she's done something wrong, she will understand, okay, I've done something wrong. I'll be getting shout from mama. Oh, that's not right what I've done. Rather than being in a denial that she doesn't know what wrong she has done and I'm getting shouting for. Also, I also show my this anger towards her sometimes.
Even when she's wrong, sometimes I do tell her, not in front of everyone, but yeah.
Yeah. We try
tell her that.
to, we don't try to get her in front, but we try to encourage her and we try to correct her also at the very same time, not even in the house, even if we go out. Like what happens many times, I'll say, this is what happens. When we go to someone else's house, when you go to relatives and all, what happens, sometimes parents, they let their kid just to play around. It is very good, leave it. But when you're in somebody else's territory or somebody else's house, it is always good that you keep a control of your child at that time, because maybe some of the people, they will not like what they do.
Yes.
Yeah. But sometimes you can understand. Some kids are meant to be like, okay, they will like to have fun.
Shouldn't be
They will
nice,
not be, they will be
jumping
playing.
on someone else's sofas.
Make-
And I do
Yeah.
tell Angel, whenever she goes on anybody's sofa, Angel, get down. I just tell Angel, don't jump on those things and don't do this. But people don't like it, saying, why you're saying don't do this, don't do that. I know how I correct my child, so it's my way of telling my child.
My mom, if you see my eyes are big. Sometimes if I dream, my eyes go bigger. So she says it. In family, we have that. But this was the thing in my mom. My mom, she did not speak a word in front of 10 people. She never shouted. One look, a look of her eyes. तू कडपाचें आहे. तू कित्तर सिग्नल तोडला तू सारको राव तालाव घेवपा मागीर घारा येयलो म्हण मार आहा थिंगा तू सारको दियाड सो that whole tense situation from the moment when she will make that eyes till the time she will baba okay matu that time like, and otherwise that okay something is still not okay.
My dad used to do like that. That is to do.
Yeah.
Then when he does that, done.
But yes, whatever she is as a woman and being a wife, it's because of her parents brought her up like that. Whatever I am, I'm because of my mom, I will say more than my dad. Because my dad, he was mostly abroad. I'm not saying he did not play a good role in life. He also made his sacrifices. He was abroad as well. So he was looking after, he was feeding. But the principles that I gained and the values that I gained is from my mom. She made us what we are today. I would say that at least the man of what I have to be is because of her. The cooking hand, John Ranpat, mummy galo, take the
Yeah, she was.
Ragui maka tehichi bachin neta. I'm very. I love when it is true, when you speak the truth. But when it's lie or something around me, I really don't like it. You know that very well. I don't like anyone talking lie. If something is there, let's talk it. Two faces talking and all those are not my cup of tea. So I don't talk about those things. But yes, this was what a nice vlog what he had done with family. Kisha around playing. Thank you. You all love Kisha. Kisha is getting a lot of love from you all. Even same Angel as well. And even we are counted in it. Mama got so much of compliment.
Yeah.
I told her, Mama, you all have liked her roast that she has done. So I said, Mama, the roast kelni. So I video call pa maka. So I So she said, okay.
She's a very shy lady, but she's getting that confidence now being on the camera.
Yeah. So friends, I hope you all enjoy this vlog that we have done. But thank you so much for watching this. So before we end, we want to give a shout out for the 5 lucky lots that we made from the comments that we have got.
So the first shout out goes to Larina Martins.
Larina Martins. Yeah, Larina Martins. She writes to us that she started watching our vlogs recently and she loves watching our vlogs. She gets a lot of good motivation from some of the vlogs that we spoke about. Lerina, we are not a really big influencers or anything. It's just day-to-day life what we speak, but it makes us feel really good the way how you have written to us, thinking that we are at least sending a nice message out. But thank you so much for this beautiful comment that you have sent. Stay blessed and bless your family.
The second shout out goes to Jamie Mendonza.
Jamie Mendonza. Is it not
James
James daughter Mendonza? That's why I knew. And because I only took that a lot, right? Yeah, Jamie, thank you. And thank you for writing. You really write a beautiful, like, you love our vlogs, watching it. She's a Phonekar girl, yeah. Go say hi to mom and dad. I said hello from K2N family. Thank you for watching. Watch with family. Stay safe and God bless.
The third shout out goes to Nettie DeMello.
Nettie DeMello. She is from Maina Kurturim, living in UK, Coventry. Nettie, thank you so much for sending so much love and blessings. And if we come to Coventry anytime, definitely we will see you over there. If not, if you come towards Swindon, please do come to our place. Stay safe and God bless.
The fourth shout out goes to Philu Dias.
Philu Dias. Yes, Philu Dias. She says that she's from Canada and the first video what she watched of us was Sannas that we made without toddy and using a Sprite. That was very well appreciated by people for us, and that was old. So from there she started following us, watching, and then now she started watching our vlogs and she loves it. Philu Dias, thank you so much. Love for you, all people from Canada. God bless you all.
And the fifth shout out goes to Velina Dias.
Velina Dias from Wembley, UK. Velina, thank you so much. You also have written us a nice, beautiful message. Thank you. Stay safe. God bless you, your family, and keep watching Mogasu. So, do you want to say anything about Namo to our YouTube family?
Thank you, everyone, for watching our vlog, supporting us. And if anything, if you all want us to do like a special message or like a special vlog where it can give a good teaching, so you can send us a request or just let us know in the comment section, and we will try to do something out of that, because these things we want the message should go good outside. Yeah, so that's the reason we do these vlogs, and this is our day-to-day life also, what's happening. So
yeah, every day we have, like, I'll tell you what, there are a lot of ups and downs also.
yeah.
We don't go all the time with the camera, but things which can make interesting, like, people like to watch. You give so much of time of yours to watch us, so we also should make sure that we try to get something good. Yeah, and in that we want you all to have at least the half an hour you'll watch. At least you all should feel that, okay, I've watched something really nice. And this message also that we give out, at least in that, however number of people are watching it, at least that number of could make at least 10% of people will get impacted with that. It's a big thing for us. At least your thank you, your blessings that you send is more than the blessings are the most important things in this world. So friends, here we are at the end of the vlog now. So before we end our vlog, we just want to say stay safe, God bless you all, and our final word to say adios.